Hello, Irvine homeowners. My name is Andres Morales, your local realtor. Have you heard of the One Irvine Home Improvement Loan Program? Well, this program is a fantastic resource for property owners like you looking to improve their home, or it can help you elevate your home's market appeal before selling. If you own a home in the city of Irvine, and if the home was built in 1975 or earlier, I got some exciting news for you. This program offers up to $25,000 in loans for homes built in 1975 or earlier, focusing on sustainability upgrades and crucial repairs. Whether you're aiming for energy efficient or the need to tackle important maintenance, the One Irvine Home Improvement Loan can help you make your property stand out in a competitive market. The application window is from Thursday, February 1st to Friday, March 15th. Due to the limited funds, it's essential to act swiftly. First, you need to check your property's eligibility to make sure the Irvine home qualifies. 2. Apply sooner rather than later. Don't wait till the last minute. Funding is limited, which means early applicants have an advantage. 3. Have a clear plan for the upgrades or repairs and their estimated cost. And number 4, seek assistance. For any questions regarding this program, please contact the City of Irvine. This is more than just a loan. It's a strategic move to boost your home's value and appeal, ensuring a smoother and more profitable sale. Don't miss this opportunity to make your Irvine home the best it can be with the One Irvine Home Improvement Loan Program. Dive into the description below for the application link and more information on making your dream home improvements a reality. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, Andres can help. Have a great day.